Hey there. So today, very quick video. I want to show you one of my favorite little tricks in Mac, and it works on iPhone and it works on your Macbook or any kind of Apple device. You can add in shortcuts, keyboard shortcuts. So for example, I've got one here for when I type TDE and see it pops up my email address. So I can save time if I ever need to type it in anywhere, in Google Chrome, in Safari, in any kind of situation. It just works. It even works on mobile as well, on iPhone. So I've set it up in System Preferences. You go to Keyboard, and then you go to Text. And here you can create a new one, and you can type in whatever you want. So it's best to make it something unique that you're not going to use, accidentally for the wrong thing. So, I've got one that I've written here, TD, and then that equals my email address. So you can do the same whatever use you want. You can make them long or short. I've got CH, and this one equals cheers. And then I don't think I can go down and show it, but it actually has my name under it as well. I'll show it here. So just type in CH, there it is, space, and then it pops up. So check this out. If you're using an Apple, if you're using any kind of Apple program, you can just go into Text under Keyboard in System Preferences, and you can add them here. So I'll show you now as well. This is a recording of my phone. So you can see I'm using the exact same thing. I only set it up on my laptop, on my MacBook, but it also works on my iPhone as well. So check it out, try it for yourself. Let me know what you think. Cheers.